Okay, friends, welcome to lesson 2 of story elements. Remember, all week we are going to be talking about the different elements of fictional stories. Going back to review the different parts of the story from yesterday, we have characters, and within characters, you have main characters, you have secondary characters, protagonist, antagonist, first person, second person. Usually it's the main character that's going to be driving the story, and the main character that's going to be facing some sort of problem and figuring out some sort of solution and having some growth and development throughout the story. There are multiple problems in the story, but the main problem is kind of what drives the whole story. Different events, is what the character faces throughout the story, usually having to do with the main problem. And then the solution is how the main character solves their problem. And then we end with some sort of resolution. Does a character learn a lesson? How does a character grow? What kind of changes come at the end of the story? So you're going to watch the video to review story elements. And then you're going to click on the link for IXL to practice finding the main idea of the different stories. And then you're going to read Apples to Oregon in your Wonders to Do folder in your binder. Once you have read Apples to Oregon, you're going to complete the chart. It says problem, it's a little bit hard to see, steps to solve the problem and solution. So you're going to write the tile here, Apples to Oregon, and then complete sentences. You should be filling this out. So on the next page is where you're going to be typing everything out. And then you have an exit ticket. Why was the family made fun of at the river? How do you know? There are 2 questions there. Make sure you are answering both questions. What does the main character think about the apples? How do you know? Again, make sure you're answering both questions in complete sentences with capitals and punctuation.